Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Faris Cuisine. Today I will going to show you how to make perfect, soft and cheesy Turkish pie. Let's start the recipe. First we will make the dough for this recipe. We can use this dough not only for making Turkish pie but also for pizza making and buns making. Add 3 cups of all-purpose flour into the bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 sachet of yeast. Also add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Gradually add water little by little and keep kneading until you will get a soft smooth dough. For this purpose, I knead the dough for almost 8 to 10 minutes. I also add half cup of oil. You can also use butter. The more soft the dough you need, the more softer the delicious pizza and buns and also the turkey pie you will make. For this purpose, I knead the dough for 10 minutes. Grease the bowl with oil. Put dough in it, cover it with lid and put it on a warm place for 1 to 2 hours. Now we will make filling for the Turkish pie. For this purpose, I heat oil in a pan. I'll add 1 chopped onion and saute for 1 or 2 minutes until it becomes translucent and pinkish in color. Then I add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute for a few seconds. Then add a chopped tomato. I had added tomato. You can also use tomato puree or tomato paste. It's up to you. After adding tomato, cook it for 1 or 2 minutes. Then I add almost 500 grams of beef mince. Instead of beef mince, you can also use mutton, chicken or lamb mince. After adding mince, I cooked it for 5 to 7 minutes until all the water becomes fully dry. After that, I added spices, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of paprika powder, half teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix it well and cook it for again 4 to 5 minutes. After that, I added 2 tablespoons of soya sauce and 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. Mix it well and cook until all the water dries and the mince becomes soft. I also added 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. At the end, I added 1 green chili and that's it. Our filling is ready. On the other hand, our dough is also ready. It rises very well and it's very smooth and soft. As you can also see in the video. I have taken a small portion of dough and roll it and give it a shape of a ball. Dust some flour on the tabletop, put the ball on it and flatten it in a oval shape. First I used my hands but it's not as easy to make a oval shape, so I used rolling pin and give it a oval shape. As we are making Turkish pie, that's why we have to make it in a oval shape. Then I put it in the baking dish. First grease the baking dish with oil. It's compulsory. Otherwise your Turkish pie will stick and you will feel difficulty after baking to remove it from the dish. Put cheese on the edges of the pie. You can use any cheese. I have used mozzarella cheese. Then fold the dough from outside to the inside and cover the cheese with the dough and give it a shape of a boat. Then we put filling on it. Just keep one thing in my mind, that your filling must be completely cold. Cover the inner side of the pie completely with the filling. Then I brush the outer side of the pie with the egg wash. Instead of egg, you can also use the milk. It's completely will give the same result. After covering it with the egg, I will put some sesame seeds on the outer side, as it will give a beautiful look after baking. Hope you are enjoying my video. If you watched the video till this, then please like and comment on the video and give me these suggestions to improve my videos. Also give me suggestion what do I have to bake next. In the last, I put a lot of cheese in the center of the pie, as we are making it too much cheesy and too much delicious. Preheat the oven at 180 degree for 15 to 15 minutes. Then put the dish in the oven and bake it for the 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. Within a 20 minutes, our Turkish pie is completely ready. For making it more soft, you can apply melted butter on the top of the Turkish pie and cover and give it a rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Our soft, yummy, cheesy and delicious Turkish pie is ready to serve. By following this recipe, you can make 4 to 5 Turkish pies of medium sizes. You can use the same recipe of the dough for making pizzas, buns, and also you can make a cheesy garlic bread or dinner rolls. Hope you liked my recipe and also liked my video. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video and subscribe to Faris Cuisine for more easy baking recipes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.